What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today I'm going to be talking about the coveted all-white Air Force One. Now almost everyone who's into sneakers and streetwear owns the all-white Air Force One, but there's definitely a wrong and right way to rock them. I know a lot of the times I say you can't go wrong with the all-white Air Force One, but the way you style it, you can definitely go wrong with it. That's why today I put together 3 outfits I would wear with my Air Force Ones. That way you guys can get some inspiration in case you don't know what to wear with your Air Force Ones. So let's go ahead and jump into the 3 outfits. So starting off with the first outfit, for the outer layer we have the Levi's Sherpa jacket. So usually with the Sherpa jackets from Levi's, they're usually denim, but this one right here is a different material, which is why I really like it. And you don't really see the camo print too often. Now underneath the jacket, we have a vintage Harley Davidson t-shirt I got from the thrift store. I believe it was like $2.99. You really can't beat it. Now for the sweatpants, there was a couple options I was gonna go with. I was thinking about some essential sweatpants, some Fear God essentials, but I went ahead and went with this khaki cream color sweatpants from PacSun. And as you can see from the bottom, I kind of just bunched them up so you can see part of my sock. And then of course you have the off-white Air Force One. You have the all-white Air Force One. Now I also threw in 2 accessories with this outfit. For the hat, we have a Uniform Studios LA Dodgers cap, but as you can see from the logo, the Dodgers logo is flipped. On one side it has a Los Angeles patch, and on the other it says Uniform Studios. And then the other accessory I have is this cross necklace from Statement VIP. Now this necklace is like a statement piece for me. I wear it almost with every outfit, so it's only right I threw it on with this one. So that's the first outfit. I really like this one because it's more of that chill vibe. You know, you can really do a bunch of stuff in this outfit. It doesn't have to be for any specific occasion. Whether you're going for a market run, hanging out with friends, going to the movies, going shopping, you can really wear this for any occasion, which is why I really like it. All right, guys, next outfit up. Now this one here is if you want to dress up the Air Force Ones, if you want to go out to like a nice dinner or something. So for this outfit breakdown, we have my favorite black jacket. Now, actually, this is from Forever 21, which when I tell people this is from Forever 21, they do not believe me whatsoever. I really like this jacket because it reminds me of the Saint Laurent jacket. I mean, they look almost identical. Of course, the quality isn't the same, but you can't beat the price point. I think I got this one for like 20 bucks, and the Saint Laurent one goes for, I don't even know how much, but it's probably super expensive. Now underneath the jacket, I wanted to keep it really simple and went with the white t-shirt. I mean, you can't get more simple than that. And then for the denim, I went with some light wash Represent Clo denim. Now, I know their denim is a little pricey. I think they go for about 130 bucks, but it's definitely worth the price point. The feel, the comfortability of them, you just really can't get it anywhere else. Now for the sneakers, of course, you have the Air Force Ones. Now, I also threw in some accessories with this outfit as well. So for the necklace, I have this Statement VIP cross necklace. I think this goes for about 60 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to cop it. And if you don't like the size, you don't really have to get the same size. They have longer ones, shorter ones. It's up to you. I also have this 10mm stainless steel bracelet. Now, this is also from Statement VIP. I got this at the same time I got the necklace. This is a really nice piece if you're going out. Now, it's not too small, but it's a decent size. People will definitely notice it. Now, this is probably one of my favorite accessories. Definitely a go-to for me. And then for the hat, we have a 1213 LA trucker hat. A lot of people ask me where I got this hat. That's where I got it from. I'll try to leave a link in the description below if they're still available. If not, definitely check out their website. It's a very dope shop. I believe they released these in a couple other colorways, but this black on black was probably one of my favorite. And the fit is just amazing. It doesn't have like a super high crown, but it's also not like very low. It's like right in the middle, right where you want it. Like I said, this is definitely like a dinner type outfit. If you gotta dress up a little bit and you don't wanna wear like some Chelsea boots or anything, you can definitely style up the Air Force Ones. So that was outfit number 2. Let's go ahead and get into outfit numero 3. All right, guys, so for this last outfit here, I guess you can say this one is more streetwear inspired. So breaking it down, for the top, we have this puffer jacket. Now, this one is from H&M. When you're buying a puffer jacket, you do not need to spend a lot of money. I think I got this one for like 24 bucks maybe. Not bad at all, especially because there is some way more pricier puffer jackets that look almost similar. So I really wouldn't break the bank when it comes to puffer jackets. Now underneath the jacket, I have a Supreme script hoodie. It's an all gray Supreme hoodie. It's really simple. It just has Supreme in the middle chest area, really tiny. Now for the pants, I have these skinny cargo pants. Now these are from Minimal LA, very dope brand. If you haven't heard of them yet, I don't know what you're doing. You gotta get on it. I'll leave a link to these pants in the description below if they're still available. Super comfortable, super stretchy, you can't go wrong with them. Now for the sneakers, of course, the Air Force 1's, but I also threw one accessory in here, and that is this Cleveland Indians hat. Now I don't know why, but ever since I got into fitteds, I love the Indians hat. I think I just like that navy and red contrast. One thing I really like about this outfit is that it really isn't too matchy. I mean, nothing really matches, I would say. I mean, you got the navy and red hat with the gray sweatshirt and black jacket. Now, camo really goes with anything, and of course, the sneakers go with anything. But to me, I just think the colors complement each other very well. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you guys got some nice inspiration on what to wear with your Air Force 1's. And guys, if you're watching and you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell so you will be notified each time I upload a video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, peace.